White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
How we doing, barbecue fam? Today we are doing country style pork ribs, boneless. Seasoned them up real nice with that Rack City as you saw. Now let's get them on the Traeger at 250 degrees. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. All right, so we got the Traeger Ironwood 885 rolling at 250. We're rolling signature pellets, and we got these country style pork ribs, boneless. These are gonna be bomb. We seasoned them with Rack City, and we're gonna glaze them with something nice. Stay tuned. So these country style pork ribs have been rolling for an hour at 250. We're about to spritz them with water and then crank it down to 235. Let's check the temp. Nothing but water. Now we're gonna come back in a half hour after 235, and these should be closer to 185, 190. That's when we're gonna throw them in a pan and we're gonna sauce them. Almost treating these like pork belly burn ends. We're gonna take them to 200 internal, and they should be that sticky icky. Let's go. All right, so we decided to go around 175, 180. We're gonna sauce these up. You could use whatever sauce you want, guys. I made a little makeshift tin foil. You wanna use a pan or even a Pyrex, that's fine, but this will do just fine as well. And look at this, just to give you a look. Coat that up nice. I used maple chipotle and a little bit of maple syrup. You guys know I love that maple syrup. These are essentially boneless ribs, guys, so get weird with it. Look at that. We're gonna throw these back on, crank it back up to 250, and then we'll come back in about a half hour and check on them temps. We're looking for 200. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of our cook, and this is your end result. Whew. That sticky, icky is your final result. Got that Rack City, a little bit of maple chipotle. Man, let's take a bite. Beautiful smoke ring, nice and tender. Oh yeah. This is an easy and a cheap win, guys. Check this out. So, boneless country style pork ribs, are they the meat pillows that you find with pork belly burn ends? No. Are they ribs? Not exactly. But they're somewhere in between ribs and pork belly burn ends. Amazing recipe, super cheap. I think it cost me $9 for all 3 of those slabs that I cut up. If you can find one as marbled as this one, you're in the ball game. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Share it with your people. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. You know the vibes. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue.